Hey YouTube, in today's video, I constantly say it's going to be different. It's a little bit different, but today it's going to be a little bit different, okay? So just hang with me. If you watch to the end, I'm going to show you how you can win one of these Art Vandalay hoodies. So stay tuned for that. But I've had different ideas on on different videos to do, just to try to do something, try something different. And one of the ideas I came up with was oh my god, it sounds stupid when I'm taping this, but I'm just gonna do it because I constantly been like putting it off. going to some of my favorite YouTubers to watch and scrolling their comment section, finding some comments of questions that they've asked, and then answer them in a Q&A on my channel. So if you want to hear some of the answers that I have for some of the questions that you ask other people and other people's channels, stay tuned. And it's gonna be fun, man. Just hang tight. All right, so this first question comes off of Shedflip's comments, and it is from Grace Ma, and Grace asked, "Why didn't you use Media Mail to ship those comic books?" So there was an episode or video of Shedflips where he's been selling comic books, and she wanted to know why he's not using Media Mail. So Grace, if you happen to watch this, you cannot ship comic books via Media Mail because they have advertisements. Media Mail is strictly for media that has movies, music, books with media on it. So comic books do not ship Media Mail. You also cannot ship blank DVDs or blank CDs or blank VHS tapes. So I hope that helps, Grace, and thanks for asking Shedflips your question. All right, this next question comes from Sandra Gray. She asked Shedflips, when do you decide if you offer best offers or free shipping? So Sandra, at my store, I just actually turned on best offers last week. I haven't been doing it. I've been running sales a lot, so I decided I'm actually running a sale plus having best offer turned on just to kind of see what happens over the next few weeks. I haven't been selling much, so figured I would what the heck, I'll give it a try. And the second part of your question is free shipping. Free shipping has been something I've been struggling with. A lot of times if you've been watching the channel, I don't know if you do watch, Sandra. Free shipping, I've been struggling with. Sometimes I offer free shipping, sometimes I don't, and more times than not, I end up losing money on it. So I've made a promise to do free shipping, and I have to come clean. Free shipping last week, and I didn't know why. I watched Cincinnati Pickers video. I realized that I have free shipping turned on by default on my app. So if you're listing anything over this next week, make sure you check those shipping sections on your listings, because I shipped I'll put it up here on the screen. I sold this truck club, and I sold it for $9.99. I've been waiting a while to list this. I thought this was a really cool piece that I found at Goodwill, and I had it sitting in my money pile for a while, and finally got around to listing it and realized it wasn't even worth that much. It was super heavy, and I listed it for $9.99, and then I thought I had shipping turned on, but apparently I gave it for free shipping, and it took no time to sell. And of course it shipped to it went to California, and it cost me about $18 or $20 to ship it. So I bought it for $4, sold it for $10, and shipped it for $20. So Sandra, I would suggest either really know your shipping stuff or just do calculated shipping. And that's my best advice for you. So thanks for your question, appreciate it. And I have one more question off of Shedflip's comment section. It's from Guy, and it has a few questions in it. Where do you get your IKEA bags? That's a great question, Guy. And to answer your question, I just actually bought some, and I used the link for RVA Flips in the description of his video to purchase 5 IKEA bags, and they were like $12.48, I think. And it was a great deal. IKEA bags are the best. So I'll put a link into the video for RVA Flips, and then you can go to his channel and then click on the link and buy those IKEA bags, because they're a great item to have. Guy's second question he had was, is there a certain size box you use for shipping a hat? I use a 7x7 box, and I don't want to get into all the nitty gritties of shipping that box, because you can just watch this video. I'll link it up here, and I'll put it down here below in the description so you can watch that. So Guy, thanks for your question, appreciate it. All right, this question comes from Lance Dodd from Cincinnati Pickers comment section. He asked, is there a section where you do refunds on eBay? I generally ask the buyer to send me their email and I do it through PayPal. So Lance, how I do refunds, if I go to my PayPal account and by sales, and I go to that buyer, it has a part on it where it says refund, and then it'll say partial. You can put in how much you want to refund. You just refund them that and then refund the buyer. So thanks for your question. I appreciate it. All right, so this last question is from Hustler12345. He asked part-time pickers, link for your padded envelopes. Hustler12345, I would love to give you the link for my padded envelopes. So I keep two padded envelopes on hand when I ship stuff. I use the eBay small, it's like the small one, fits a DVD game or kind of little stuff. It fits that stuff perfectly. And I use my store coupon to buy these. So get this one if you have a store on eBay and you get that coupon code quarterly. So I have that one, and then I keep on hand. This is it's a 9x12 or a 10x13. I don't know. I'll put the link down below. But I keep these on hand for some bigger stuff, and I paid like 25 bucks, I think, or 20 or 25 bucks for 100 of these. So they're awesome to have on hand. So thanks for your question. I appreciate it. Okay, so for the giveaway, if you've been following my channel for a while, originally my channel was called Art Vandalay 219. 219 is the area code that I live in. So, and I just like the number. So I kind of wanted to do a giveaway when I hit 219 subscribers. I'm past that now. I'm 229. So I just wanted to do a giveaway for this for a hoodie. I'm gonna try to do some different stuff. So if you want to watch some more videos, if you have some time, I'm off of work for 2 weeks. So might try some different videos. So hopefully you enjoyed this. God, this is hopefully you're watching this. Then I had the nerves. I mean, sometimes you just gotta try something, man. It's constantly. So if I can do some of the videos I've done before, I could probably do a question and answer video. So anyway, the 3 things you have to do to be entered into the drawing for this this hoodie up here is hit subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell notification. So I don't know, if you got some free time in the next few weeks, I'm gonna maybe do some other stuff and some more videos. I try to do a video every 3 days. Maybe up that a little bit with some free time. I want to get back. I need to list a little bit harder. I've been kind of procrastinating this week. Drop a comment below. You have to comment where you're from. You could put the city and the state, or just the state. I don't care. Either way. Or if you happen to be, I just kind of want to see how many people watch this. If you're, I mean, you can put the country if you're from another country too. I appreciate that too. So wherever you're at, city, state, city, country, state, country, continent, whatever geographical location. We'll put that down. Whatever geographical location you're at. So I appreciate everyone who's found my channel by chance, and thanks for watching. Oh, and by the way, Mom, if you're watching this, well, you can comment on this one. She doesn't want to comment because she doesn't want to win. So if my mom happens to win, I'll draw 2 people. So, and I'll do the drawing for this. I'll do the drawing for this in 3 days. So if I happen to do another video, today is Wednesday, the 18th. So 18th to 19th, 19th to 20th, 20th to 21st. So March 21st. We'll upload a video that has the winner for this drawing in it. So I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys for the winner of this in 3 days. So bye. Oscar, you gonna lay there and be nice? You gonna lay there and be a good boy? You gonna lay there and be a good boy? Good boy. Yes, you are. A good boy. Oscar's a good boy.